Have you ever wondered how fish breathe underwater? Unlike humans, fish don't have lungs. They have gills. When a fish opens its mouth, water flows in and passes over its gills. These gills contain tiny blood vessels that extract oxygen from the water and release carbon dioxide. The oxygen then travels through the fish's bloodstream, keeping it alive and active. So next time you see a fish, remember it's breathing just like we do, but in a completely different way. But how exactly do these gills work? And why are they so efficient at extracting oxygen from water? Fish gills are fascinating organs that have evolved over millions of years to become highly specialized for underwater respiration. When water enters a fish's mouth, it doesn't just flow out immediately. Instead, it is directed over the gill arches, which are lined with gill filaments. These filaments are covered in tiny structures called lamellae, which increase the surface area available for gas exchange. The more surface area there is, the more oxygen can be absorbed. As water flows over the lamellae, oxygen diffuses into the blood in the gill filaments, while carbon dioxide diffuses out into the water. This process is incredibly efficient, allowing fish to extract up to 80% of the available oxygen in the water. In comparison, human lungs only extract about 25% of the oxygen in the air we breathe. But why is this efficiency so important? Water contains much less oxygen than air, about 1/30th as much. This means fish need to be extremely good at extracting oxygen to survive. Their gills are perfectly adapted to this task, allowing them to thrive in environments where oxygen levels can be quite low. Another interesting aspect of fish gills is their ability to regulate the flow of water. Fish can control the opening and closing of their gill covers or opercula to ensure a constant flow of water over their gills. This is especially important when they are swimming fast or living in water with low oxygen levels. So the next time you see a fish swimming gracefully through the water, take a moment to appreciate the incredible efficiency of its gills. These remarkable organs allow fish to extract the oxygen they need to survive in an environment that is very different from our own. It's a beautiful example of how life adapts to thrive in diverse conditions. Breathing underwater might seem like a magical ability, but it's all thanks to the amazing design of fish gills. So whether you're snorkeling in a coral reef or watching fish in an aquarium, you'll know the secret behind their underwater breathing.